The Camaro is a 2019 SS Camaro. They come with the LT1 naturally aspirated 6.2 litre engine. The ZL1 model, if you want to call it the HSV of that model, they came with the LT4 engine in them. Same capacity, but they had a slightly different camshaft, different heads, and they were supercharged from factory. So what we've done, we've actually put the LT4 camshaft, cylinder heads onto the engine, and the factory supercharger onto this car, the intercooler kit. And we had to buy an adapter kit from America to make it all work onto an SS Camaro. So this car should, make some good power now. And the gentleman that owns that car has actually put a genuine body kit on it, so it actually does look like a ZL1 as well. I have done a few of these Camaros now. I've been privileged to work on them. A fair few SS Camaros, and we've done a fair few ZL1s. ZL1s, I haven't had 15 or 20 of them yet, but I've done about 7 or 8 of the brand new models because people aren't spending big money on them at the moment because they're still a new car. But yes, Camaros, we've done exhaust packages, tuning packages, but we've also supercharged a handful of them as well. Yeah, when we put the Whipples on them, we're gaining, around 120 kilowatts at the wheels quite easily with about 8 pound of boost. So yeah, they make a massive difference. They come up really well. And not only are you gaining big power, you're also gaining a lot of torque. So you're pushing the torque up to about 800 Newton meters of torque and beyond. Camaro versus the Mustang, that's a hard question. They're both awesome looking cars, they're both modern muscle cars. The Coyote engine, which is in the Ford Mustang, in my opinion, is definitely a better engine than what's in the Camaro, the LT1. It's got more modern technology, quad cams, revs harder, makes power very, very easy. You can't beat cubic inches though. Like the Camaro has a 6.2 litre engine in comparison to a 5 litre. Bulk torque, feels great. You put a blower on it, makes really good power and really good torque as well. If I was to pick one of the two cars, which would be my preference, a bit hard, I'd have one of each if anything.